Ghostly Rich here today. Might as well turn on some light. I'm in my kitchen today. You're probably wondering why. Well, just letting you know, coming to the channel, I'm going to be actually redoing this kitchen. I'm going to be putting in all new cabinetry, updating it, just like I did with my old place, how I did the renos. So the plan is, I'm going to do an engineered beam across here with a post, because that is a supporting wall. So we might have to have a post there and a post there, but we'll make it work. This entire wall is not supporting, so we'll be getting blown out. Some other little things that you might see us doing is, of course, the floor and just some little touches around here. We might try and make this into a pantry and a closet rather than a mirror. Right now you can see I'm demolishing this because this is an old school kind of nook where you could throw your jackets. We're gonna take that out to make it even more open concept, so that way this whole area is kind of open. But wanted to give you a show of what it was before, and then while the progress is going on, I can show you the after. But for right now, I'm just going to continue taking out this one piece of wall. I just figured, hey, why not show them? And if you're doing this project and you're ever looking to take out something like this, the biggest thing is cutting little windows in there so you can check and make sure that there's nothing in there. And when at the half wall like this, you're just trying to make sure there's no piping or something that is going through here, because that's the last thing you want, is to try and have to relocate plumbing. And then, of course, even though I do a lot of how-tos for you guys, I even still brought in a contractor, a framer, and I've also brought in a couple other people just to look and make sure. Usually if you bring in a contractor, at least he can, say, this is a supporting wall, this isn't. He'll give you some ideas, especially if you have a friend that's a contractor. Be smart about it. Don't just think you can blow at a wall. Everything has a purpose. Like right here, I know that I have HVAC coming up over here, and then there's just little things like just looking in the wall, looking for electrical. If you see electrical on your wall, bring in the right people. Again, it just all comes back down to contractor. At least get a contractor involved. If you're gonna cut out all the drywall yourself, go ahead, but then bring in a contractor. Anyways, stay tuned on the channel. You'll see some progress reports, because as we're doing stuff, like if I remove this wall, I'll show you guys how I do it. And when I'm putting in the engineered beam, I'll show you how I do that. I'll show you the trades that I use, so if you're in the local Lower Mainland, you'll be able to use them as well. Alright, thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for what's coming to the channel. Now doesn't that look just so much better? So much more open concept. You come in and out of the room. Yeah.